No. Good morning, Jonathan.
No.
No. Who's the prettiest little girl in town today? All dressed up in her bonnet.
You better
And
not
look at
answer.
her smile. Look at her smile. You are so sweet.
Stella? You're still my goddaughter.
You are so sweet. Blowing bubbles. I love you. You are so precious. You're so little. What's your problem? Aren't you happy to see with Stella today?
No.
I sure were this morning.
Yes, they are
Oh,
happy
she
to
looks
see
like
Stella.
Flannery in that picture.
Who is
She
that,
looks
Stella?
like Flannery.
Yeah, those pants really were.
I
Is that
know.
Flanney?
Get dressed.
I know. You are so
Who
precious.
is that?
Well, listen now. Let's don't sing any bad songs. Change the channel. Oh, I'm sorry.
You gotta sneeze?
Okay. Okay, tell me what to do. Tell me what to do, Stella.
Stella says, poke her in the face.
Close her eyes, she might stop.
Oh, my goodness.
Who is that?
Yes, you
Is that
are.
Lulu?
That's
Just so
Flannery.
precious.
Mommy and Flannery.
You are so precious. Oh, Papa. She's getting ready to cry.
Oh.
Sit on the couch
Mm.
and have a turn.